Alright guys, I'm back. We're gonna do a box of top Treasury now. So we'll get after it. I know there's definitely some cool stuff that can come out of this product, but it's pretty hit or miss. Alrighty. Packaging is pretty cool on this stuff. But Confucius. I'm a big jazz fan, living out here in Utah. So hope he's going to turn out to be a pretty good player. Well, looks like we already got our rip card. It's Jerry West, rip card numbered 299. So we will save that for the end. Well, there you go. We got the Jazz box, Confucius autograph. It's pretty sweet. Numbered to 50. It's the refractor version, so that's cool. Actually happy about that. We also got a Joe Johnson, numbered to 999. Well, guess we're hoping that we get something extra because 3 packs and we got everything that's supposed to come out of this box. Guess we are hoping maybe we'll pull a medallion or something cool. So we got another numbered card. Ben Gordon, numbered to 50, 29 of 50. Easily rookie. Got a Chris Wilcox, numbered to 999. Anytime you see the last name Jordan, you always gotta do a double take. That's the see, which Lopez did we get? Brooke Lopez, numbered to 2008. So it's definitely not short printed, that's for sure. Greg Oden. John Stockton. Well, that was a thick pack. Wow, we got 2 autographs in this box. We got Mr. Rose for the Bulls. So we got an extra hit. It's a refractor, but is not numbered. It's a sweet card, though. Could have swore that. I wonder what the Kafusis was. Kafusis was a refractor also, and it was numbered to 50, so I don't know what the deal with that is. Got a David Robinson, numbered to 999. Always nice when you get a box that has an extra hit in it, that's for sure. Last pack, and then nice, a John Stockton, numbered to 999, 99 of 999. Alrighty, well, I guess we'll go ahead and just do the rip card. I'm not too worried about whether or not Jerry West number 99 is pretty good, but got a mini of Tracy McGrady, numbered to 278. So the original card was definitely much better, but that's the way it goes. Alrighty, guys. Well, that was actually a pretty cool box. We got the. We'll show you the 2 big hits again. Had the Kafusis refractor autograph, number to 50, and Derrick Rose refractor autograph. So that was pretty sweet. Alright, guys, thanks.